What's up, everyone? It's Carlos with Toy Gigante. Some of you guys are wondering about some of my stuff, so let's just go through some of my collectibles. There's some bat heads, timber, some parts that I have, BMX parts. Here's a copy of Contra Hard Corps. That is an amazing game. It's a lot of fun. Highly recommend it. And here's a copy of, is it Garry's? Well, anyways, it's another fun, exciting game. This is a custom arcade. Built a few years ago. Let's see what else I got. Oh, look at this. Batman Dead End on DVD. This is a this is a fan-made movie that someone made that I picked up. Let's see what else I got. A bat. Jurassic Park toy. If I get hungry, I have McDonald's hot sauce for my burritos, breakfast burritos. Look at that, I got one of them. I collect Famicom games every now and then. Mondo Geico. What else do I got? Really, really unorganized. I'm sorry, but that's what it is. Jason is chilling right there. Let's see what else I got on this shelf. I have some the Black Label Genesis games. I've been collecting those. Cobra Bat. Some Atari Jaguar games back there. That's me when I was a kid. First time on an airplane. Yeah, it was fun. Let's see what else I got here. Land Shark. More games. Radius. Contra, like a custom game. I just haven't had a lot of time to clean up, and I probably will move before then. Hey, look at this. It's complete. Did you ever get your hands on a Sega Nomad? Those are cool. Portable Genesis. But it eats batteries like crazy. Got a Stridor. If you think Cobra Commander's bad, Dr. Evil's worse. More of these guys. Thanks to my friend who hooked me up, I got one of these. Let me see what else I got. Just a bunch of random stuff. I picked him up not too long ago. Ooh, up here I got some classic Nintendo games. Let me see. You can see the titles right there. And then right here. More games right here. Let me see what else I got. classic games that never get old, for sure. I have a Panasonic 3DO right there. So I have a Atari 2600 right there, and a Sega Master System. I collect classic video game systems and video games. Let's see what else I got. Yep, Turtle Van. Into the Ninja Turtles and stuff. It's one of my custom bats with snake eyes. I don't know what I was doing with that He-Man, but there you go. Roddy Piper, legend. Motormaster, but I don't know when I'm going to transform him. These things are like ridiculous. It takes a lot of time to sit down for me and do it. So that's going to be a challenge. Check that out. Mostly complete. I think I'm missing a couple things, but it's all there. I don't know if it works, but I'm sure it does. I just have to put batteries in it. This is a custom zombie trooper from Total Madness Custom, my friend. His tank. There's a Super Mario up there and a BB-8. Those are pretty big ones. Some more random stuff. Hey, there's Will Smith. Oh yeah, my subscribe button. There's the dash for the custom vehicle. Building the custom van. And some more random stuff. That's like the first bat I ever built on my own. I haven't built much since. Like as far as bats, I made a few. And here's my other Atari 2600. I also have over here, if you look in here, I have an original Atari Jaguar that I got because I love classic video gaming. Over here, I have a Cobra Bug. It's a very unique vehicle. What else do I have? Let's see. Let's swing over here. I have the first APC ever customized right there, along with Will Smith and Battle Cat right there, hanging out. So we have a bunch of random stuff that I have. Oh, and over here, I have a, I believe it's called the Eagle Hawk. And I have a Sega Dreamcast. And I have a Cobra Hammerhead right there. So yeah, that's some of my stuff. I have to go and organize some things, but pretty cool. Just wanted to share my little space right here. And this is my work area, and it's a mess. But yeah, here you go. Well, everyone, thank you for watching. I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great day.